like you anyway. Yeah, I like you.
Welcome back on Gimme Chocolate. We have the extremely naughty brats, Cyrus Broacha and Kunal Vijaykar with us. I must say, you boys are looking very comfortable at the kitchen counter.
Well, if it's a modern marriage, he's my wife and she cooks really well and we have a nice relationship. I work hard outside the house and he looks after the home. So thanks, sweetie.
But you know what you're going to do here for me today,
No idea.
right?
No idea.
You all are a part of the chocolate face-off.
Chocolate face-off? Between us?
Yes. Do you want to know what you're going to cook?
Yes, yes.
It is a fusion between Parsi delicacy and Pathare Prabhu delicacy.
Really? What is it?
It's called the chocolate LAGAN custard with a coconut crust.
Ah.
Shall we take a look at the recipe?
Yes, of course.
We are going to make a chocolate LAGAN custard with a coconut crust.
Ingredients: chocolate LAGAN custard, chopped dark chocolate chunks, blanched sliced almonds, sliced pistachios, cardamom powder, nutmeg powder, condensed milk, vanilla essence, sugar, milk, eggs. Ingredients for coconut crust: chopped almonds and cashews, cardamom powder, grated coconut, sugar, malai, milk, ghee.
Let's put in the milk. While it's baking, let's make the coconut crust. The LAGAN custard is ready. I'm going to go and check on my nariyal pak, and it's set. Before we start, Cyrus has an advantage. I will help him.
Yes!
And
What? Can we
and
start?
your time starts now.
Okay, we're starting with milk in the saucepan.
Milk in the saucepan. Gimme milk, gimme milk, gimme milk, gimme milk, gimme milk.
Okay.
Cyrus, come back.
Meanwhile.
Andi ke sath
Can I come and help you?
Please,
Because I think you need help.
I'm begging you.
Cheating.
Kunal, he has an advantage. So I'm standing here only because it's your disadvantage.
Don't be a bully.
Now please put in all the dry ingredients.
Ye kya hai?
Nutmeg
I'm
powder.
testing you. Well done, Zeba.
Thank
well
you.
done, Zeba. Nutmeg.
You can put in as much of flavor that you like.
That
of
I
vanilla.
like. Huh?
Some people
Tera
put
baap
it
ka kya
all,
jata hai?
some
I
people
like.
put a teaspoon.
Telling me what to do.
And
LAGAN custard Parsi dish. Maharashtrian contribution less than 20%. Check.
That's
out.
enough. You need a whisk. Cyrus, you need to whisk it, not
What is
move
whisk?
it around. Faster.
But he's not doing anything. Why-
Because he's finished doing it. Kunal, see it started smoking. In a few seconds, it's just going to
gonna
boil.
come up, yeah.
So the milk is ready right now. Cyrus,
And then
you
you-
need one whisk.
You'll cry
I
with
am
spilled milk.
completely confused that I have lost control in my kitchen as well.
But his is not any better than this. I'm watching that. It's
It
the
has
same.
been whisked to perfection.
Zeba, you're saying that he's better than me?
Please keep your eyes on the milk.
Then time for, ladies and gentlemen, food fight. Ready,
No
Papa?
food fights, please. Flame band kar do. Cyrus.
Yes, ready.
I am teaching a child.
Yes, master, teach me.
Put in the sugar, condensed
Sugar.
milk and the chocolate.
Can I try the condensed milk?
After it goes in.
Can I taste the condensed milk?
No, don't taste it. If you okay, please taste it. Please taste it.
Goodbye, dear friend.
Now we need to cool this milk before we put the
You don't ask
egg in
questions.
it.
You're the big cook. You manage.
Please put in the chocolate. Put it all in. Kindly stir in the chocolates into the hot milk.
Can I do a little dancing for?
Cyrus, what are you doing?
Stirring something, you idiot.
I'm so far ahead of him now that I can relax right now.
I'm going for my own martial arts style.
Now slowly I need you to put the eggs into the chocolate little at a time.
And while Cyrus struggles, it's 220 degrees in the oven.
My food will taste better in the end, then all this is a waste of time. Don't worry.
Cyrus, excellent job.
Thank you, mummy. But we did it.
The LAGAN custard is ready.
I will now help Cyrus because I'm a very helpful person. I think it's looking quite good.
Let's start with the coconut base.
Done.
Let all the wet ingredients bind your mixture.
Come. Must have fun while doing all this. Must be like him. You must enjoy your life. All right? Am I good
Please
done?
take it to the fridge.
Let's go.
It's time for plating. You need to neatly cut it. Look at him. Beautiful cut. Wonderful. It's time for me to taste.
There you go. Should I call the doctor? What?
It's excellent.
Excellent.
It's excellent.
In your face, old man.
Congratulations, Cyrus.
Excellent.
Kunal, your prowess in good food, palate and presentation
Thank you.
is outstanding. So you have got 2 out of my 3 stars.
Lovely.
Let's wait.
How many stars does Cyrus get, by the way?
Cyrus has just got 1 for taste. Kunal,
Average.
I give you 3 stars.
So average.
Yes.
Well done.
I say average.
Cyrus, I must admit it tasted very nice.
Yes.
But Kunal, you have won the face-off. Congratulations.
Thank you. My God.
Thank you very much. Yes.
Guys, before you leave, let's go to my choco den. I would love you to leave your handprints on my wall.
Okay.
Come on, let's
you
go.
carry both? You can manage. You can manage.
Lovely.
I think we had our share of laughter today. Please write to us at Gimme Chocolate at livingfoodz.com. Until next time, Choco la vista.
I'm gonna like you anyway. Yeah, like you.